Setting a daily budget for Facebook ads is essential for managing your advertising spend effectively. Here's how to do it. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ads Manager by selecting the Ad Center or accessing it directly via the URL. Create a new campaign. Click on the green Create button to start a new ad campaign. Choose your campaign objective. Set up ad set. Name your ad set and define your target audience, placements, and schedule. Scroll down to the budget and schedule section. Select daily budget. Choose daily budget as your budget type. This option allows you to specify how much you want to spend per day on your ad set. Enter the desired daily budget amount. This is the average amount Facebook will aim to spend each day. Schedule your ads. Choose whether you want your ads to run continuously starting today or set a start and end date for your campaign. Review and publish. Review all your settings, including audience targeting, ad placements, and budget. Click Continue to move to the ad creation stage, where you design your ad. Once everything is set up, click Publish to start running your ads.